In the examples given below, we're told to find the multiplication of each of the expressions shown. So we're going to start on the left here with the expression 5x times the quantity 2x squared minus 6x plus 3. In this case, we're going to use our distributive property, which states that whenever we have a quantity outside of parentheses times a sum or difference inside the parentheses, it is equivalent to taking the constant outside of the parentheses, multiplying it by the first term, and multiplying it by the second term. So a times b plus c is equal to a times b plus a times c. For our purposes, 5x is going to be multiplied by each term inside of the parentheses, one by one, keeping track of the signs. So we will have 5x times 2x squared in our first term, minus, we keep the subtraction sign that we had the same, 5x times the quantity 6x plus 5x times 3. Now we go term by term and simplify. If we take 5x times 2x squared, that means we're taking 5 times 2, 10. And x times x squared gives us x cubed. In the second term, we take 5 times 6, so that's minus 30. And x times x is equivalent to stating x squared, plus 5x times 3, so that's 15x. In the second example, we have the quantity x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, all times 4x. In our distributive property, it doesn't matter which side our multiplier is on. In this case, 4x, even though it's on the left or on the right this time, is going to be multiplied by distributing 4x to each term inside of the parentheses individually, as we did in the last example. So in this case, we're going to end up with the expression 4x times x cubed from our first term minus 4x times 3x squared in our second term, plus 4x times 5x in our third term, minus 4x times 2. Simplifying by carrying out each multiplication, if we take 4x times x cubed, that'll be equivalent to saying 4x to the fourth power, minus 4x times 3x squared, we're going to get 4 times 3, 12. X to the third, plus 4 times 5, 20, x times x is x squared, minus 8x. And we're done.